What up, YouTube? It's your boy Phat, Phat Daddy, Phat Outdoors, and guess what? We at it again, another camp cooking video. I got something real special for you today. Look what we doing. We got that Gumbo Daddy seasoning, that Cajun seasoning. That's right. This is a sponsored video, but nonetheless, like I say all the time, I'm gonna give you my honest opinion and let you know if this is good or not. And I'm here to tell you this is certified Cajun. Certified Cajun. Quack, quack, quack. All right, so let's talk about this Gumbo Daddy Cajun seasoning for a little bit. It's officially made in Louisiana. It's actually in Opelousas. That's where it's produced. So that's Cajun country. That's Acadiana for all you that don't know. Gumbo Daddy, he's been a great guy. He's been shooting me recipes, and I've been using it. I've been using it mainly on chicken. I tried it in chicken stew. I've tried it on wings. I tried it on fish. I've tried it on lamb burgers last night, but today what we're doing, let me just show you. We're gonna be doing a Cajun Cornish game hen, and I'm gonna be butterflying it, otherwise known as spatchcocking it, and so I'll show you how that goes. But that's what we're doing. We're also working with some of them green beans. I'm gonna throw a little of this thick cut bacon in it. I got a tomato over here just because I could do it. I got some garlic, and I got one mushroom because I had a mushroom left over from lunch today. So that's what we're working with. So now this is what Gumbo Daddy has to say about his seasoning. He said, I wanted spices that enhance the food's natural flavors, a well-balanced blend of Cajun seasoning, no, not too salty, not too spicy, and none of that garlic aftertaste. I put it on everything, he says. He put it on everything. And so if you guys wanted to go out and get some, or you guys want to know more information about it, you can visit www.gumbodaddycajunproducts.com. Also his email is gumbodaddycajunproducts@charter.net. Hashtag Gumbo Daddy Cajun Products. He's on Facebook, and he just started a YouTube channel. All right, so here's the Cornish game hen. This is a pretty little thing. They're little tiny ones, and we're gonna go ahead and spatchcock it. I'm gonna show you what that is. That's just basically cutting out the backbone and making it so it can butterfly. Normally, at home, I would do this with a pair of kitchen shears, but obviously I'm not at home. I don't have my shears, but you just cut through the rib cage, and it opens it up like that. Then cut that other part of the backbone right there. You don't waste a lot of meat. I'll give these to the meat flies. But then makes a pretty little bird lay on his back just like that. You can even break the sternum. If you break the sternum, it'll lay nice and pretty and flat. That's what we're doing, and we're throwing that on the grill. All right, then the next thing we're doing is we're using this. Get over here, meat fly. Get out of there. We're using this Gumbo Daddy, and I just use it liberally. Again, like he says, it's really low salt, so it's good. Not too much spice, but it is amazing on chicken. So I give it a good little dose. Want to get the inside, just like that. Make it nice and pretty and red. Give it another little top dash. Yeah. That's it. Y'all might say that's a lot, but man, that's flavor right there. Look how pretty that bird look. That bird look extra pretty with that Gumbo Daddy. All right, I added a little hickory to it. It's starting to flame up a little bit because of the fat. I just pick it up every now and again just to make sure I'm not scorching it. All right, we're gonna have to try and loosen this up a bit. There we go. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Ça c'est bon. That's good. All right, this bird is looking real pretty. I just keep turning it around. I don't want to scorch it, but I mean, it's coming out real pretty. Look at it. Look at that. Yeah, that bird is looking pretty. Cornish game hen. Cajun style. Gumbo Daddy Cajun seasoning. Yeah, check them out, man. Check them out. I'm thinking about making these green beans, but right now, this chicken taking a little bit more time than I anticipated. And see, that's how I control my flame. Yep. It gets too hot, I just do that. Let that hickory die down a little bit. Peep that out. Look at that. That's Cajun Cornish game hen. There we go. There we go. So what I always do is I fry off my bacon first. Instead of frying whole strips and chopping it up, you just get it like that. So much easier. So I'm just getting my bacon kind of crisped up. Doesn't have to be all the way cooked, but I want a little crisp on it. I also want to render that fat. But because this is going to cook a little bit more once we put our other stuff in there. I think I'm going to start throwing my vegetables in. Throw these onions. I'll let these tomatoes stew down. And we'll throw these mushrooms. I try to keep my garlic till last so it doesn't burn. So, I'm going to throw all that in there and let that stew down. All right, what this is also doing is loosening up all them little, what they call them, gratin, fond, grammy on the bottom of the pan. You can see the onion getting nice and brown. This is just going to be quick and easy, down and dirty. Just like that. I'm just throwing this together. I don't even know what to call it. I'll call it good. Alright, so that looks good. Next thing I want to do is throw the rest of this garlic in there. And a little bit of onion. So I'll put the simmer ring on so that way I don't scorch my garlic. Just let this go just like that. That simmer ring really slows it down. Oh, that's good. Alright, then I want to throw my green beans in there. Get out here, boy. Yeah, there we go. Throw those in there. Let's give them a little whisk around. Yeah, it looks good. Bacon, garlic, tomato. That looks real good. That's easy. That's just an easy little hookup right there. See, and I slowed it down with the simmer ring. Let me see if I can show it to you. That's how I controlled my heat with this thing. So I take it off now. Let it get hot again. And, of course, we're going to put some more of that Gumbo Daddy, just because. This stuff, like the package says, man, look, where does it say? Where does it say? I put it on everything. Go ahead and put it on everything. It says, I got what your taste buds been looking for. Yeah, Gumbo Daddy. Put it on everything. And just because, we're going to put a little razzmatazz of that in there. Y'all don't know what that is? That's that Louisiana Gold. That's the true Louisiana hot sauce right there. Then we just want to mix it all up, mix it all together. Look at that. That's a dinner of chance. Man, I wish Mama was here. Mama missing out on this one. Mama, you missing out on this one. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. Yeah. Okay, now what we're gonna do is just cover it up a little bit, kind of see if we can get them to cook down just a little. Oh yeah. Really good. Oh, it smells delicious. Then I'm going to put my secret weapon. Cut out some of the acidity from the tomato. I'm doing that keto thing. I know everybody's going to complain about Splenda, but that's what I got right now. And that Splenda works. I'm not going to put the whole pack. I just want to put a little bit because I put tomatoes in here. All right. Now you can let these cook as long as you want to, but if I was at home, obviously I'd simmer them longer, but right now, being here, I'm about to call this a wrap. All right, here comes the moment of truth. And go ahead and unveil it. Let y'all get a look at it. Hold on a second. Let me try to figure out where this goes. All right. Look at this. Let me get my spoon so I can show y'all. Again, that's Gumbo Daddy, boy. Gumbo Daddy Cajun seasoning. Check it out. Look at it. Check it out. That's a spatchcock game hen with that Cajun Daddy on it, grilled over hickory. Look at this. We got them green beans. Look at them smoking. Still smoking. Green beans, bacon, garlic, mushroom, tomato smothered down in there. And then the coup de grace, that chicken. We're about to get into it, but before we do that, let me say grace. Heavenly Father, we praise you and give you honor. We ask that you would continue to bless this vacation, bless this trip, bless the people that joined us. We ask that you bless our church services tomorrow. We ask that you bless this food in Jesus' precious name. Amen. All right, here we go. I'm about to tear it up. Look, first I gotta hit the green bean. A little bit of Splenda, and does it every time. I don't care what you say. Bacon, tomato. And then, let's see if I can do this. That's gonna get hot, but I don't even care. Gonna take me a little wing. Look at that. Yeah, that's a bird. It's a bird. Yeah, look at it. Yeah, that's good. Ha. Look at it. Look at it. What you got there? Sauce bomb. Meat pie, move away. Look. That's good. Not too much garlic, not too much spice, not too much salt, but everything just right. This stuff is you gotta try it just to try it. Look, I'm talking with a mouthful, but you gotta try it just to try it on chicken, because it's the bomb. I'm fully convinced. But this done, I'm not just blowing smoke because he sponsored me, but this is really, really good. You see, I'm tearing it up. It's amazing. Amazing with this spice. It's probably one of the best Cajun Creole chicken that I've ever had. No joke. Yeah. No joke. I got some helpers. They not here to help cook, they're here to help eat. All right. Let me cut you guys a little bit so you can get some. Yeah, let me do this. Don't worry, I had gloves on the whole time, so my hands are clean. How you like that put together, Mom? Okay, wait. You gotta have some of the green beans in order to have...
I already did.
Yeah, well, let's do it again. Take a little taste. Remember, this is take 2. People aren't supposed to know you already had it. There. Everybody get a little taste.
Hot.
Is it spicy?
No, just hot, like...
Oh, hot with heat, yeah. Okay, now you guys can take a piece of the chicken. Everybody stab a little of the chicken. There you go. Did you get a little of the chicken?
That's good. That's
good. You going in. You like that? You can have another taste of the green beans. Go ahead.
It's spicy.
Yeah, it is got a little spice to it.
Really good chicken.
Is the chicken really spicy?
No.
Is it too spicy? This one over here, she burning herself up, but she's doing it.
Can I have another?
Yeah, you can have another taste. Go ahead.
I had 2 green beans.
You had 2 green beans? Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, that's good. That's Phat Daddy piece of chicken. You can have that one. What? Oh, don't burn yourself on it. Here, let me get you another piece, baby.
I'm going to wrap for them. I can't get one.
He's going to help you.
Yeah, I'm going to get it. Here, let's do this.
Whoa.
Y'all going to eat up all my chicken. Hold up.
What happens when you invite guests?
I know, right? You guys
invite
did.
guests without an ask.
Yeah, let me get some of that skin. That chicken is good, huh? You know what that is? That's that Gumbo Daddy. That's that Gumbo Daddy. Even if kids are saying it, you know it's good. Hold on, let me. Here, there you go. There you go. Take that little piece.
No, this little piece.
This one.
Yeah, there's another little piece.
Loves trying new stuff.
Yeah. You know what? I don't have a bottle of water right now, baby. Yeah.
Go get some water.
Okay. All right. There you guys go.
If I didn't taste anything,
Ha!
just say before.
Mm-hmm. Great one for you. This is my dinner. Well, there you have it, folks. Out of the mouths of babes. Again, hey, Gumbo Daddy, thanks a lot. Really appreciate it. Good stuff. Y'all go check him out. Again, that is www.gumbodaddycajunproducts.com. Go check him out. It's good stuff. And as always, folks, remember this. Get outside, enjoy life, and always have a lot of fun at it. Phat, Phat Outdoors. We're gonna be doing a Cajun. Oh, let me start that over. Duh, GoPro stop video. We're gonna be doing a Cajun spatchcock. Oh, GoPro stop video. GoPro stop video. It started.
GoPro stop video.